Namaste. Tomorrow is Mahashivaratri. So it is not necessary that you have to visit Lord Shiva temple. But what is important that tomorrow you follow certain guidelines such as fasting for the entire day. If you are not able to fast for the entire day, you can have fruits and water. If you can't do that, then you can have normal food without onion and garlic. Obviously, you have to eat vegetarian food. The most important thing for Mahashivaratri is that you spend more and more time in chanting the Shiva mantra. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. It is important that you spend time in this rather than going anywhere else. I am not saying that you should not go to any Shiva temple. You can do that. But if you are not able to go, it is perfectly fine. You can just be where you are and focus more on chanting Om Namah Shivaya. Always remember that anything should not be limited only to just one day. 365 days of the year, you should be totally devoted and chanting the mantra with consistency. Om Namah Shivaya. And so in this podcast, I am going to talk more about certain things that you should do on Mahashivaratri, as well as a beautiful story at the end of this podcast. So let's begin. Tomorrow, 26th February, is a Mahashivaratri day, meaning the great night of Lord Shiva. And so first, I will reveal the impact of Mahashivaratri on all 12 moon signs, along with the recommended mantras and donations that you should do. The first moon sign, Aries, Mesh Rashi. The impact is that it will boost your courage and it will lead to new beginnings. The mantra you should chant is Om Namah Shivaya. And the donation you should do is that you should donate red color cloth, jaggery and lentils. The second moon sign, Taurus, Vrishab Rashi. The impact is financial stability you will find, and you will also find harmony in your family. The mantra you should chant is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And the donation that you should do is white sweets, rice and milk. The third moon sign is Gemini, Mithun Rashi. You will gain clarity in communication and you will also start experiencing growth in your career. The mantra that you should chant is Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. And the donation you should do is you should donate green moong dal, that is green lentils, books and stationery. The fourth moon sign is Cancer, Karka Rashi. You will gain much balance in your emotions and you will also experience spiritual upliftment. And the mantra you should chant is Om Ram Krishna Hari, Om Ram Krishna Hari. And the donation you should do is that you should donate silver items, white clothes and sugar. The fifth sign is Leo, Sinha Rashi. You will get many good opportunities, leadership opportunities, and you will also gain inner strength. The mantra you should chant is Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. And the donation you should do is that you should donate wheat, mustard oil and red flowers. The sixth sign is Virgo, Kanya Rashi. The impact is that you will improve, your health will improve, you will see a significant health improvement and also resolution of conflicts. So in a way, you will experience a much better time ahead. The mantra that you should chant is Om Ram Krishna Hari. Om Ram Krishna Hari. And the donations that you should do is that you should donate green vegetables, ghee and herbs. The seventh moon sign is Libra, Tula Rashi. You will experience harmony in your relationship and peace of mind. The mantra you should chant is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And the donation that you should do is that you should donate curd, white clothes and lotus flowers. The eighth moon sign is Scorpio, Vrishchik Rashi. And the impact is that you will experience spiritual awakening and you will be able to overcome your fears. You should chant the mantra Om Kala Bhairavaya Namaha. Om Kala Bhairavaya Namaha. And you should donate red cloth, sesame seeds and chili. The ninth sign is Sagittarius, Dhanu Rashi. You will experience growth in knowledge and wisdom. And the mantra you should chant is Om Rudraya Namaha. Om Rudraya Namaha. And the donation you should do is that you should donate turmeric powder, yellow sweets and books. The 10th sign is Capricorn, Makar Rashi. The impact of Shivaratri is that you will experience growth in your career and material success. And the mantra you should chant is Om Neelakanthaya Namaha. Om Neelakanthaya Namaha. Om Neelakanthaya Namaha. And the donation you should do is that you should donate black sesame seeds, blankets and mustard oil. The 11th sign is Aquarius, Kumbha Rashi. The impact is that it will help you in getting good social connections and you will also enjoy a very good community support. And the mantra you should chant is Om Gangadharaya Namaha. Om Gangadharaya Namaha. Om Gangadharaya Namaha. And you should donate water pots, blue clothes and pulses. And the last moon sign is Pisces, Meen Rashi. The impact of Mahashivaratri is that you will experience much spiritual depth and creative energy will boost. You should chant the mantra Om Shankar Narayanaya Namaha. Om Shankar Narayanaya Namaha. Om Shankar Narayanaya Namaha. And you should donate yellow fruits and coconut. During Mahashivaratri, it is highly beneficial to observe a fast, consuming only fruits, water and milk throughout the day. However, if fasting entirely is challenging, you may opt for Sabudana Vada made from sagu as an alternative. You should break your fast on 27th February Thursday which coincides with Amavasya, new moon day. This is a significant new moon day, and chanting specific mantras based on your moon sign can help you better navigate the challenges associated with Amavasya, new moon day. I have already created a detailed video on the 27th February Amavasya and Mercury's transit in Pisces, providing valuable insights and remedies to help you stay safe and alert during this period. The period from February 27th to May 7th is expected to be a challenging phase for many. Mercury's extended stay of 65 days in Pisces, combined with its retrogression and the presence of Rahu in the same sign, can create significant disruptions. This planetary alignment may lead to unstable decisions affecting your daily life. Therefore, it is crucial to remain vigilant and focus on connecting with the higher consciousness, the Shiva Consciousness, especially during Mahashivaratri, the great night of Shiva, and in the days that follow. This spiritual grounding will empower you to face and overcome upcoming challenges with greater strength. The core message of Lord Shiva is the profound truth of impermanence, that everything born into this world will eventually perish. This is why Lord Shiva is revered as the destructor, while Lord Vishnu is the preserver and Lord Brahma is the creator. When Lord Vishnu grows weary of maintaining the material world, Lord Shiva intervenes to dissolve it, reminding us that nothing is eternal. This cosmic cycle teaches us the importance of non-attachment, not only to material possessions but also to relationships, including our closest loved ones. To help you grasp this deeper wisdom, let me share a beautiful story that perfectly illustrates this eternal truth. There was a mystic, Hussein, who had a very beautiful son, a very intelligent and talented boy. Everybody loved the boy, but one day he suddenly died. He was just 20 and almost the whole town was in love with the boy. Hussein looked at the corpse and never cried. Not even a single tear came to his eyes. Rather, he started laughing. People could not believe it. They asked, "What has happened? Have you gone mad? Has the shock been too much?" He said, "No, it is not the shock. I was feeling very unhappy, miserable, and then suddenly I remembered that when this child was not there, I was perfectly happy. I was alone and this boy was not with me, and there was no problem. I never missed him when he was not there. Now he is gone again and I am again in the same position. A dream is over and the one who gave it to me has taken it back. Who am I to say it is not good?" So always feel grateful. From wherever you find some source of happiness, feel grateful. But don't expect that tomorrow that source will be available or should be available. Otherwise, you will fight for it. The key to life is acceptance. Life's greatest wisdom lies in one simple truth: acceptance. Tomorrow, even if I were to lose the most beloved person in my life, I would be engulfed in deep grief. I might pause everything, my work, my routines, consumed by sorrow, deep sorrow. But eventually, I would have to accept and move forward, because the true beauty of life lies in embracing it as it is. If this resonates with you, I invite you to read my book, Beauty of Acceptance, Tathata, where I delve deeper into this transformative philosophy. If you truly resonate with Shiva, you will learn to accept life in its entirety, the good, the bad, and the uncertain. When Buddha once asked his disciples, "How long is life?" no one could answer. He then revealed, "Life is but a breath." Life is momentary, fragile, and fleeting. Yet the one who lives moment to moment with acceptance and an understanding of the suchness of reality is sure to find peace and progress. A person who embraces all that life offers, the highs, the lows, the chaos, and the calm, with a heart full of gratitude, evolves into a Buddha. This is the essence of spirituality, being who you are, as you are, and accepting every fragment of your existence. Remember, the moment you fully accept yourself, you become truly beautiful. Love you all. Stay tuned for more, and most importantly, chant your mantras daily, not just on Mahashivaratri, but every single day. Consistency is the path to transformation. Har Har Mahadev. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru, Jai Shankar. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.